Hello everybody, my name is Miss Elise and welcome back to another afternoon snack at the library. For the past few months we've been making a lot of recipes that use a ton of butter, so I thought we could try making a healthier snack this month. So today we're going to be making ants on a log. Now this is a really simple recipe because all you really need are 3 ingredients: celery, your choice of peanut butter, and raisins. Of course you can substitute peanut butter for other nut butters like almond butter or sunflower seed butter, and if you don't like raisins you can also substitute those for things like cranberries or chocolate chips like I'm doing. Step 1. As always, make sure to wash your hands. Step 2. Take your bunch of celery and break off the individual stalks. Step 3. Rinse your celery. Step 4. Cut your rinsed celery into smaller stalks by placing the tip of the knife on the cutting board and rocking the blade. This will give you more stability and leverage to cut through the celery. Step 5. Arrange the celery on a plate. Step 6. Spread some peanut butter on the celery and then add the raisins or chocolate chips on top. And there you have it. Ants on a log. Now for this snack, we aren't really eating ants, but did you know that you actually can eat ants? In fact, you can eat tons of different types of bugs. We even had a program here about eating bugs way back in 2018. We tried things like cricket brownies, mealworm flapjacks, and caterpillar stir fry. To check out these recipes, just head on over to our library website at chillicothepubliclibrary.org and browse through our archive of Cooking Around the World programs. You can find the insect recipes under Entomophagy, which means the practice of eating insects. Now that's all the time that we have for afternoon snack at the library today, but I'll be back again next month with another snack. But until then, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye!